Islands, I wanted to talk a little bit about different sorts of weather. There's a very, very special person that studies the weather and can help us give us a weather forecast. And that special person is called a meteorologist. It's a pretty tricky word. Can you say it? Meteorologist. So the weather can change every day. Let's think about some of the weather we can have.
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me children, what's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cold outside today? Tell me children, what's the weather like today?
Did you see it was a sunny day? I've got my bikini on and my sundress. I think I'm ready to go to the beach. I think I should put some sun lotion on first. I've got to make sure we put sun lotion on when we go in the sun. Face, arms, legs, shoulders, sun lotion on. Oh, hat. Oh, I need to take my water to the beach. Don't want to get dehydrated, the sun is very, very hot. And I'm going to take this. Do you know what this is? Oh, I'll get it out to show you. All the way out, that's it stuck. Do you know what this is? This is our beach umbrella. I'm going to take this to the beach to give me some shade. The sun is really good for us, it's really good for all our plants and trees, but we have to be careful of our skin. Too much sun is not good for our skin.
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me children, what's the weather like today? Is it snowing? Is it raining? Is it windy outside today? Tell me children, what's the weather like today?
Did you see the lightning? Can you hear the thunder? We can't stay at the beach, we can't stay in the pool. We need to dry off and we need to go inside. When we're inside, we can look at the sky lighting up with the lightning. So when you hear the thunder, count to see how long it takes to see the flash of the lightning in the sky. That can tell us how close it is to us.
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me children, what's the weather like today?
Did you take a look? Did you see the picture where there was a few clouds in the sky? Did you see it? And then the other picture, did you see how big and grey those clouds were? Do you know what's inside those clouds? We'll find out soon.
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me children, what's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it raining outside today? Tell me children, what's the weather like today?
All the rain came out of the clouds. It's raining. It's raining and it's pouring. I'm ready to go out and splash in the puddles. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and he bumped his head and he couldn't get up in the morning.
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me children, what's the weather like today? Let's see what weather's going to come up next.
Did you see the snow? The snow was falling white in the sky. Can I ask a question? Does it snow in the Cayman Islands? No, it's too warm in the Cayman Islands. But if you travel to another country and it's snowing, you're going to have to wear trousers, socks and shoes, gloves, a hat, a scarf, and lots of layers to keep you very, very warm. I love the snow.
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me children, what's the weather like today?
It was windy outside. We can go outside and fly our kite. But sometimes the wind in the Cayman Islands can get really, really strong. And when it gets really, really strong, it's called a hurricane. And if there's a hurricane that comes to the Cayman Islands, the meteorologist will tell us to take all our toys inside, to close all our windows and doors, and we have to get some very special supplies. Can I show you some of my hurricane supplies? Let me go get them. So, if a hurricane comes to the Cayman Islands, we have to make sure we stay inside, and sometimes the electricity gets turned off, which means the fans and the lights don't work. So maybe you'll need to use a lamp. That would be a really important hurricane supply. So if the electric goes off, we have to have our battery powered torches. And sometimes they turn the water off. So there's no water in the taps. So we have to have lots and lots of bottled water. We don't want to get thirsty, do we? And you need things that last a long time. Remember, if the electricity goes off, we can't use the fridge and we can't use the freezer. So we have to get special long life food. This is long life milk and dried food. We've got noodles and spaghetti and some tinned food. I've got some beans, some tomatoes, some tuna, oh, sweet corn, whoa, and my favourite, peanut butter. So if there's a hurricane, our mummies and daddies will tell us to stay inside, bring all your toys, make sure your pets come inside. We have to stay inside until the hurricane leaves.
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it raining? What's the weather like today?
Wow, can you see it's raining and it's sunny? Something very magical happens when we have rain and sun at the same time. We get a rainbow, that's right. Do you remember the colours of the rainbow?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet for our rainbow.
So that's just a few of the different weathers that we can have. Make sure you look out the window and check what weather you have. Okay, bye-bye.